In today's video, I'm going to be trying out a natural hairline on this wig from Wiggins Hair. If you want the details in the review, make sure to keep on watching. This will be a full install video. I'm showing every single step that I did to achieve that widow's peak natural looking hairline. This is my first time trying this particular one. I feel like the widow's peak is a lot more stronger than I normally do, but I'm going to show how I actually got the look instead of telling, because I really can't explain it quite yet. And I didn't know if I all the way loved it. Y'all are going to see my face throughout the process. I felt like the widow's peak, even though it was in the right spot, I think I'm just so used to wigs coming farther down on my hairline, it just looked weird. It took me some time. It had to really, what they say, it had to marinate a little bit. But yeah, all the products that I use and the details to the wig will be in the description box below. I'm gonna stop yapping and let y'all watch the install. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in my next video.